Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be learning about something a little different. We're making a puzzle, but it comes in the form of these blocks. So if you pick up a block, you'll notice that there's something on every side of the block. And it's our job to match it up. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! So before we get started, let's look at the picture of the original puzzle first, and let's point out a few details. Okay, so what do we see? We see the puzzle is a picture of a cow, and along the edges of the puzzle, there's a red border. So we know that when we put the puzzle back together, we want to make sure that there's a red border around the puzzle, and it's a picture of a cow. Let's get started. So the first thing we can do is grab a block and try to see what side has the red pattern on it, and it's this one. So we can put it on the board. Let's grab the next one. And let's see. So this one doesn't have the red checkered pattern, but it has a picture of what looks like a cow. So let's put it here as well. Let's grab the next one. Let's see, we're looking for a red pattern. We see it. We'll put it right here. And let's keep going. Here's another one. And here's another one with a red pattern. You're doing great. Now this one doesn't have a red pattern, but we see the other sides have patterns, and this one has black and white. So I think this is the cow. So let's put it on here. Let's grab the next one. There's a red pattern. Makes it a lot easier when you look to see where the patterns match up. There's another one. Okay, we're doing great. And we have this piece right here. And this one doesn't have it, but we see some black and white and what looks like a bell, so we can put that on here as well. All right, before we add the rest of the pieces, let's see if we can organize this a little bit. So we have the pattern that matches here, and it actually matches the corner. So this looks like it's in the right spot. Let's see if we can match another corner. Do you see another part that has a corner? This one. This one has a red and black pattern that's on the bottom corner. We can put it right here. Great job! Now let's try to match the sides. So we see this right here, and it looks like there's an ear right there. So let's put this on the side. Now we'll take another block. And there's another side. So it doesn't matter where you put it. We'll just put it on the side, and then we'll put all the pieces together. So right now, let's take another piece. And this one has something on the side, so we'll just put it here so that the edge matches the edge. Now let's keep going. We have this piece here. So this also has an edge pattern, but we see some little hooves here. We know that's at the bottom of the cow, so we can put that here. And look, we made our first match. Okay, this one does not have an edge pattern, so we'll put it in the middle. Good job. Let's keep going. We have one more piece. This one has an edge, so we'll just put it so it matches the edge at the top. Okay, now we have a few more pieces. So let's go ahead and grab this one. So we see some hooves over here too. These are the feet of the cow. So we know they're going to go on the bottom, and we can put them right here. Great job! We just made the bottom of the puzzle. So let's keep going. Let's see what we have on this piece. This is black and white. We don't have a red pattern, but we know this is part of the cow. So we'll put it on the board in the middle. Let's grab another piece. This has a red and black pattern, So we know it has to be on the edge. So let's push this up and put this piece right here. Okay, so now let's see if we can match up the cow's face. So we see the mouth and the nostrils right here. Do you see some other block that looks like a nose? I think that's the nose. So let's go ahead and move this and match it with the nostril. We did it. Now let's look for some other clues. So we see a yellow bell here and we see a yellow bell there. Should we match them up? Well, let's try. Great job! It's starting to look like a cow, but it still doesn't look quite right. So let's go ahead and keep going. So let's grab another piece and see what we have. Here's the red and black pattern. And that looks like a tail. So let's see if we can put it here, and it worked. This looks like the middle part of the cow. Let's keep going. So we have another piece. This looks like a corner piece. We have the red and black pattern in this shape. So we need to find out where it goes. And that looks like the ear of the cow. So maybe we can go ahead and move this here and see if this fits in this corner. And it does. But it still doesn't look right. So let's take up this piece and we'll put this piece back so that the nostril and the mouth matches up. And let's try putting this piece a different way. How about like this? Let's put it at the top. And we did it. We made the cow's head and the full face. Good job. Let's grab the last piece to see what we have. This is a corner piece. It has a red and black pattern on the corner. So that means we should go ahead and move these other pieces and try to put it in this corner. Now something still doesn't look right. So let's go ahead and try rearranging this piece so the edge matches the edge of the board. So because this still doesn't look right, we just have to keep trying. The best thing we can do now is really work with this middle piece. So we'll grab this piece and we'll turn it around and see what makes sense. That doesn't match up. How about like this? That looks right. This pattern and this pattern match. Now maybe we can try taking this piece and moving it around. Let's try this up here and see if it works. That looks better, and now we have one piece left. Let's see how we can match this edge with this edge and see if it works. We did it! We put the puzzle back together. Thank you so much for your help. I hope you had fun. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye! Hi kids, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be learning about how to tell time. This is a clock. This is one of the ways that we tell time. A clock has 12 numbers on it, and each number is an hour. And in one day, we have 24 hours. So that means we go through the clock 2 times. Okay, are you ready to learn these numbers with me and how to tell time? Let's go! First, let's put all the numbers back on the clock. Will you help me put them in the right place?
Yes!
Let's start with the number 1. So 1 goes up here. 1. Then we go to 2. 2. Then we have the number 3. 3. So now 3 is always in the middle. So we see that 3 is in the middle. And we go to 4. And now we have 5. And then 6. And 6 is also in the middle. So you have 3 and 6. This helps it make it easier when you're reading a clock. Now 7. And 8. And 9. So you see that 3 and 9 are across from each other. So you have 3 in the middle, you have 6 in the middle, and now you have 9 in the middle. So let's go to the next one. 10. And we have 11. And the last one is 12. 12 goes at the top. Okay, so let's go through them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 12 is in the middle. It's in the middle of the top. Then 3 is in the middle. Then 6 is in the middle. And 9 is in the middle. So that's how you know you made the clock correctly, when those 4 numbers are in the middle. So now let's go to the next learning point, which is how to tell the hours and the minutes. The hours and the minutes. So if someone says to you, "What time is it?" you can look at this clock and see what part of the day it is. And you can tell them what hour it is and what minute. So if you look at this shorthand, this is called a shorthand because it's shorter than the long one. This is shorter, this is long. So this is a shorthand. The shorthand tells you what hour it is. And the longhand, this long one, tells you what minute it is. So let's go ahead and try a couple, shall we? So this is a shorthand and it's pointing to 2. So that means it's 2 o'clock. Now if we want to change the time, we can leave this up here and go to this time. So what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Good job. Now let's move this. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. And we'll do one more. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Good job. Now let's try with the long hand. So the long hand again tells you what the minute is. So if you want to change this, you can move this around. Now, in 1 hour, can you tell me how many minutes are in an hour? There's 60 minutes. 60 minutes in an hour. So, say we want to move this around and tell the time when it's right at the start of the hour. So when the hour is starting, we leave it on 12. So that's why this is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. And if we move the shorthand and we put this here and you leave it at 12, then it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So how do we separate the minutes in the hour? Remember when I said we have 3, 6, and 9, and 12 in the middle? Well, if you take 60 and you divide it by 4, you get 15. So today we're going to focus on the 15-minute marks. So that means this is 8 o'clock. If we move the minute hand to right here, now it's 8:15. 8:15. And the reason it's 15 is because at the 3 is the 15-minute mark. The 15-minute mark. Now say we move this down here. So this is going to be 8:30. 8:30. So it goes 15, 30, 45, and at the top of the hour, 60. So let's move it one more time and put it here. Now it's 8:45. 8:45. And let's move it one more time. And now, since we've completed the hour, we would move this one up to the next hour. And now it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Okay, I know that was a lot. Shall we try another one? Let's try another time. How about 4? So say I wanted to do 4:15. 4:15. So first we have to move this shorthand and move it all the way to the number 4, because remember, the number 4 tells us the hour. So now it's 4. But we have to also move the minute hand. So this is 4. This is the shorthand pointing to the hour. 4. And now we'll move the long hand. So say we wanted to say it's 4 o'clock. Well, the long hand is right here. So this is 4 o'clock. But we want 4:15. 4:15. So do you remember which one of these is 15? It's this one. So we move it to right here. And that tells us it's 4:15. Okay, let's try one more. We go down to right here. And this is 4:30. 4:30. Good job. And now if you move it here, this is 4:45. 4:45. And let's do the last one. Remember, we move it back up here and we move the shorthand to the next number because now the hour is completed. So it's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. So now you know how to tell time with hours and minutes. You did a great job. I was so excited to learn with you. Can't wait to learn with you next time. Bye. Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be talking about sports. Do you know what a sport is? A sport is an activity you do that usually gets you up and moving, and you can play with the other teammates or your friends, and it's a lot of fun. Today we have 4 puzzles. We have a football puzzle, a soccer puzzle, a baseball puzzle, and a basketball puzzle. These are all sports. Are you ready to learn about sports with me? Let's go! Wait, where are you guys going? Phew, we got all the pieces back together. Let's do this first puzzle. The first one is a football. A football. So let's start with the eyes. And we know that this is going to go to the top, so let's put that right there. And then let's grab this piece. So we know that this is really wide. So we're going to grab the widest piece. And let's fit this right here. And we have this matching up. Perfect. Now let's grab the last piece. And we can put it right here. Perfect. We made the football. Do you want to see some people playing football? This is what they look like. That looks like fun. Thanks, football. Bye. Now we have the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a soccer ball. A soccer ball. Let's first start with the eyes and put them up here. Perfect. Now we need a shape that matches this little edge. Let's just try this one. This one. Let's see if it works. It does. Now let's grab this piece and see if it fits right here. Perfect, perfect. It's starting to look like a soccer ball. Now we have one piece left. And let's match up this edge with this edge. Let's put it here. Yay, we made a soccer ball. Do you want to see some people playing soccer? Let's go. That looks like so much fun too. Say thank you, soccer ball. Bye. Now we have our third puzzle. This was a baseball. Can you help me put it back together? Let's start with the eyes and put them at the top. Now, this piece is a lot bigger and it's wide like this area. So we want to see if we can put it here. And great, it matches. Now let's grab this last piece and put it right here. We did it! We put the puzzle back together. Let's see some people playing baseball. How fun! All right, say thank you, baseball. Bye. Now we have our fourth and last puzzle. It's a basketball. Let's put it back together. Let's start with the eyes. We put it at the top. Great! Now we need a piece that's going to match this shape. This doesn't seem like it's curvy enough, so let's grab this one and see if it fits. And it does! Wonderful! Now let's take this last piece and put it right here at the bottom. Perfect! We put the basketball back together. Let's see some people playing basketball. That looks like a fun sport too. Say thank you, basketball. Bye. Thank you so much for helping me put all of the puzzles back together. I hope you had a good time learning about all of these sports. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be learning about colors. I love all the colors. Each one of these crayons has a lot of surprise toys in it.
Whoa.
We're going to go through each one together. Before we start, let's read out all of the colors and then we'll open up each crayon. Sound good? Let's go. Red, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown. Let's see what's inside each one. Now let's see what's inside each crayon. Let's start with the color red. This is the color red. Red. Let's open it up and see what's inside. What do we have? The first thing we have is a crab. A crab. The next thing is a red fire truck. A red fire truck. What else do we have? This is a red fire hydrant. A red fire hydrant. Now we have a red strawberry. A red strawberry. And the last thing we have is a red tomato. A red tomato. Now let's look to see what's in the pink crayon. This is the color pink. Pink. All right. Wow, we have so many fun things in here. The first thing we have is an ice cream. A pink ice cream. That looks so yummy. We also have a donut. A donut with pink frosting. Pink frosting. And here's a pink heart. A pink heart. What else do we have? We have some pink flowers. Pink flowers. And the last thing we have is this pink pig. Pink pig. Our next color is orange. Orange. This is the color orange. All right, let's open it up. Wow, look at all these neat things that are orange. What is this? This is an orange fish. An orange fish. What else do we have? We have an orange carrot. Carrot. We also have an orange cat. An orange cat. What's this? It's an orange pencil. An orange pencil. And lastly, we have orange ice cream. Orange ice cream. Now we have the color yellow. This is the color yellow. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see. First we have a star. This is a yellow star. The next thing we have is a yellow school bus. A yellow school bus. What else do we have? We have this yellow lemon. Lemon. And now we have a yellow banana. Banana. What's the last thing? It's a yellow leaf. A yellow leaf. What's the next color? It's green. Green. This is the color green. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow, what is this? This is a green frog. A green frog. What else do we have? We have this green grasshopper. A green grasshopper. Let's keep going. What's this? This is a green celery. Green celery. We have one last thing. These are green grapes. Green grapes. Our next color is blue. Blue. This is the color blue. Let's see what's in here. This looks fun. This is a blue backpack. A blue backpack. What else do we have? Let's see, what is this? This is a blue boat. A blue boat. And look, there's some funny glasses. These are blue glasses. Blue glasses. And what's this? It's a whale. This is a blue whale. Blue whale. You're doing great. Let's go to the next color. This is purple. Purple. This color is purple. Let's see what's in here. Wow, look at all these things. What's this? It's a purple fish. A purple fish. What else do we have? Oh, this is a purple airplane. A purple airplane. What is this? This is a purple butterfly. A purple butterfly. Look at this one. This is purple ice cream. Purple ice cream. Let's look at the last thing. These are purple grapes. Purple grapes. Now we have our last color, brown. This is the color brown. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see what we have first. This is a lion. It's a brown lion. What else do we have? This is a cookie. It's a brown cookie. Let's see what we have here. This is a brown turkey. A brown turkey. The next thing is a brown squirrel. A brown squirrel. And we have one more thing. What is this? It's a brown horse. A brown horse. Great job! We went through all the colors together. I hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye! Hi kids, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be learning about the weather. You can tell what the weather is by looking outside. Sometimes it's sunny, and sometimes it's rainy, and sometimes it's snowy. All of these are different types of weather.
Whoa!
Do you want to learn about them with me today? Let's go! So the first type of weather is sunny. Sunny. I love sunny weather. Sunny weather happens in the summer. And here's the sun. Let's put it over here. This is for sunny. Can you tell me what kind of clothes do you wear when it's sunny? Do you wear a hat to protect your eyes and sunscreen? And we also make sure that we don't wear too many layers. It's so much fun to play outside when it's sunny. And don't forget your sunglasses. Now let's talk about the next type of weather. Rainy and stormy. When it's raining, what does it look like outside? Well, usually there are a lot of puffy clouds in the sky. And we have some raindrops. What do you wear when it's raining outside? You wear a raincoat and rain boots. And also, you carry an umbrella so you don't get wet. It's so much fun sometimes playing in the rain. And I love to jump in puddles. Now that we've talked about the rain, let's go on to the next type of weather. Cloudy. Sometimes you see so many different types of clouds in the sky. Did you know all of those clouds have different names? The clouds are named differently if they're thin or thick, or if they're high or low. And sometimes it's cloudy when it's cold, and sometimes it's cloudy when it's warm. But it makes it easier to play outside when it's not too sunny. Now let's go on to the next type of weather. Windy. Sometimes it's windy in the fall. It can be windy any time of the year. Let's go ahead and put this wind over here. When it's windy, sometimes it's good to wear a few layers so you can take off your jacket if you get hot and put it on if you get cold. Sometimes it's fun to play when it's windy. Look at all the leaves blowing everywhere. All right, let's move on to the next type of weather. The last type of weather is snowy. Snowy. Let's put the snow on the board. When it's snowing, you wear clothes that keep you warm, like a sweater, a coat. You can wear a scarf around your neck, or even mittens or a hat to keep your ears warm. Sometimes it's so much fun playing in the snow. You can have a snowball fight or make a snowman. Well, today I had so much fun learning all these different types of weather with you. Snowing, sunny, stormy and raining, cloudy and windy. I can't wait to learn with you next time. Bye! Hi kids, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be counting to 20 and we're going to be doing it using fruits. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! Let's start with the number 0. 0 means we don't have any. There's no fruit. This is the number 0. Let's put it back. 1, 1. This is the number 1. 1 watermelon. Watermelon. 2. 2 cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. 3. This is a number 3. 3 pineapples. 3 pineapples. 4 pomegranates. 5 mangoes. 6 papayas. 7 oranges. 8 grapefruit. 9 bananas. 10 apples. 11 plums. 12 kiwi. 12 kiwi. 13 peaches. 13 peaches. 14 lychee. 15 blackberries. 16 strawberries. 17 cherries. 18 grapes. 19 blueberries. And 20 raspberries. Great job! You learned counting from 0 to 20 with me, and you learned about all these fun fruits. I had so much fun with you. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye! Hi kids, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be learning about farm animals. Have you ever been on a farm? It's actually a lot of fun. Here's a red barn. Here's a cow. Here's a pig. Here's a duck. Here's a chicken, a sheep, a horse, and a goat. Where are you guys going? Come back. Phew, we got everybody back on the farm. Now we have to put everyone in their spot. Will you help me?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's start with this one. This is a chicken. A chicken. What sound does a chicken make? Yeah, that's right. All right, let's find the spot. Do you see it? I see it down here. Excuse me, Mr. Horse. Let's put it back. Perfect. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is a horse. This is a horse. A horse. What sound does a horse make? Yep, that's right. Let's put this one back. Do you see where the horse goes? I think I see it all the way in the back. Excuse me, Mr. Duck. All right, let's put it back in here. Good job. Let's see, what else do we have? All right, we have a sheep. This is a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Yep, let's put it back in its spot. Do you see it anywhere? I think it's behind Mr. Pig. Excuse me, Mr. Pig. All right, let's put it right here. Let's do this one now. This is a pig. A pig. What sound does a pig make? Yeah. Now let's put the pig in the spot. I see it right here. That was easy. Now let's go for the next one. Here's a goat. A goat. What sound does a goat make? Yes. Now let's find out where a goat goes. Mr. Cow, I think you're covering where the goat is. We'll move Mr. Cow. And let's put it back in its spot. Perfect. Now let's do Mr. Cow. This is a cow. A cow. What sound does a cow make? Yeah. Let's put the cow in its spot. Do you see it anywhere? I see it right here. Let's put the cow back. Great. Now we only have one animal left. It's this duck. This is a duck. A duck. What sound does a duck make? Yeah, great job. Let's put the duck back. And we put it back in its last spot. Great job. You helped me put all the farm animals back. I hope you had fun learning about the farm animals and what sounds they make. I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be talking about a balance scale. Do you know what a balance scale is? A balance scale is something that tells you when one side is heavier than the other. So if we put something on this side and it's heavy, this side will go down. And if we put something on this side that's heavy, then this side will go down. So we're going to try to use these numbers and these frogs to see if we can make it balanced, which means that they're both the same weight. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. So first we'll do the number 1. This is a number 1. So if we put it on here, this side went down because there's nothing on this side. So let's see if we can make it balanced. We'll put one frog over here, and now it's balanced. Let's try with the next number. Let's try with number 2. So if we put 2 on here, it goes down again because there's nothing on this side. Now what if we just put one frog here? It still didn't go down because 1 is less than 2. 1 is smaller than 2. So we need another frog. Let's add another frog. And now it's balancing out. That's great. Let's go to the next number. So now we're going to put the number 3. So if we put 3 on here, you already know now it's going down because we don't have anything on this side. So let's put some frogs on this side. Let's see, that's 1 frog. That's 2 frogs. Still not going down because 2 is less than 3. And now let's put 3 frogs. And now it's balanced again. Great job. Let's go to the next number. So now let's go ahead and put the frogs first and see how many frogs we want to get to. So let's try putting, there's 1 frog and it already made it go down because it's heavier than this side that has no frogs. And then we put another one, that's 2 frogs, that's 3 frogs. What if we put the number 4 on now? What side do you think is going to go down? There's a 4 on this side. And there are 3 frogs on this side. So let's put the number 4 on. And the 4 goes down because 3 is less than 4. 3 is smaller than 4. So let's put another frog. And we made it balanced. Perfect. Let's keep going. Now let's put the number 5. The number 5. So 5 on this side. And now you know how many frogs do we have to put on this side to make it balance. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's balanced. What would happen if we put one more frog on this side? So then there are 6 frogs on this side. Should we try it? So now let's put a 6th frog on here. And now this side went down. Do you know why? It's because 6 is more than 5. 6 is more than 5. That means 6 is heavier than 5. So let's go ahead and change this and put the number 6 and see if it balances. Great! Now it balances. Let's go on to the next number. Now we're going to put the number 7. Here's the number 7. And now, how many frogs do we have to put on this side for it to be balanced? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, still not there yet, 7, and now it's balanced. Great! All right, should we try putting another one to see what happens? If we add one more frog and make it 8, now it went down because 8 is more than 7. 8 is greater than 7. So the 8 frogs went down. Let's go ahead and pick up the number 7. And let's try putting the number 8. And now it's balanced again because 8 here equals 8 frogs here. Good job! This time we'll go ahead and add the frogs first. So we know the next number is 9. So let's add 9 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 frogs on this side. Now, if we put the number 9, it's balanced. Do you see how this works? This is so exciting. If we have this number equal the number of frogs, then it's balanced. Now, like we did last time, let's go ahead and add another frog. So now we have 10 frogs on this side. So this side is going down because 10 is bigger than 9. 10 is greater than 9. So the 10 frogs are pushing this weight down. Now let's go ahead and switch out the number 9. And let's put the number 10. And it's balancing. Great job, everyone. Now let's just put all of these frogs for fun on this side. What do you think will happen if we put all these frogs on this side? Do you think it'll go down?
Yes!
Let's see. And it does, because so many frogs on this side weigh more than the number 10. I had so much fun learning about a balance scale with you. I hope you did too, and I can't wait to play with you next time. Bye! Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Learning. Today we're going to be learning about a balance scale using Mario characters. So if we put something on one side and it goes down, that means this side is heavier. Or if we put something on this side and it goes down, then that means this side is heavier. Are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Let's go! So first let's start with Mario and Luigi. Let's see who's heavier. Let's put Luigi on one side.
Number 1.
And let's put Mario on the other side.
Go.
Mario's heavier than Luigi. What if we take Luigi off and we put on Yoshi? Who do you think is heavier, Yoshi or Mario? Yoshi is heavier than Mario.
Wow!
All right, let's see. Let's take Mario off and let's go ahead and put on Peach. Who do you think is heavier, Yoshi or Peach? Yoshi is still heavier than Peach. Let's add Mario and Luigi on this side. We put Mario with Peach is heavier than Yoshi. What if we add Toad to this side? And Yoshi and Toad are heavier. You can tell because this side is going down. Okay, now who should we try? Now let's try Mario and Luigi on one side and a Goomba and a Piranha Plant on the other side. Let's put them on here. And now we have a Piranha Plant and it's not going down. That means Mario and Luigi are heavier than the Piranha Plant. Let's add a Goomba and see if it goes down. A Goomba and a Piranha Plant are heavier than Mario and Luigi. I know for the last one, let's see how heavy Bowser is compared to everyone. So we'll put Bowser on one side, and let's add everyone on this side. Mario and Luigi are here, but Bowser's already heavier. So let's add Peach, and let's add Yoshi, and it's already going down. Peach, Mario, Luigi, and Yoshi are heavier than Bowser because this side is going down. What if we add Toad on top? Now it goes all the way down. Should we add the Piranha Plant, Goomba, and the Bob-omb on this side? Let's see. Just adding the Piranha Plant made the side heavier. So we already know if we add these two, it's going to be even heavier, and this side is already down. Well, I had fun learning about a balance scale with you using Mario characters. I can't wait to play with you next time. Bye!